Hello again, Andy with Handy Andy Handyman, and we're out today on an inspection repair estimate for the buyers of a really great house in Dunwoody. And what we're looking at is the foyer arch window, and you see that wrinkling in the bottom sash is rotted actually all the way through, and just poor caulk and paint, and it gets away from people. We're the only company in Atlanta that I know of that'll router out that bad wood and piece it in with back primed and sealed wood so it'll never rot again. Beware most handymen that make these kind of repairs. They'll just slide Pondo across it, and that'll be good for maybe 3 to 6 months before it just rots out and causes some more damage. And you actually see some Bondo on this bay window in a second, so we'll repair that as good as new. They've got one piece of fascia just above that window to the right, underneath the gutter right there. Same thing when builders build these houses, they only paint what you see, and so that piece of wood to the painter has 2 faces, to us it has 6 faces, and the rest of it's unpainted on the back side and on the undersides of that fascia right there. So any water that gets behind or any moisture will just rot it out. That's what happened. You can see a little bit of streaking where the water is getting behind in that gutter, and more than likely a downspout over here is probably clogged. So we can check that out for the buyers when we come out. Here on the bay window, if you go back to some of our other videos, you'll see these all the time, where you've got a metal mansard roof right here. Painters and builders always forget to seal that bottom edge. So over time, every time it rains, about 2% of the water goes up the back side of that metal. It gets in behind the crown molding up there, and all that stuff is unpainted on the inside, so it just rots it out. So that's what's happened here. The transom window right here is rotted through on the bottom of the sash and the right side of the sash, so we can actually repair that all with wood. And then down here, these are normal pieces. Where you have these inset panels down here, we'll replace these with hardy panel, just so it'll never rot again. But any wood that we replace will be back primed and sealed on all sides. The left side right here just has a little bit of rot on the top crown molding right there. And so once we replace all that stuff and paint it, put it back, it'll be good as new. I'm Andy with Handy Andy. See you at the next house. Bye for now.